The equations of motion are, can you tell me? One. First one is V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT. And the second equation, can you tell me what is that?
Sir, S is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square.
Okay. S is equal to ut plus half AT squared. Third equation you have learnt, V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. When do you apply these equations? When a body moves with the uniform acceleration. That means these equation motions are applicable for a uniformly accelerated motion. For a uniformly accelerated motion, these equations can be used. A means acceleration. Please remember that this acceleration is constant. If there is no acceleration, suppose acceleration is 0, then body moves with the uniform velocity. If there is no acceleration, you must understand body moves with the uniform velocity. If there is no acceleration, this becomes what? V is equal to U plus A 0, 0 into T. That means what? U only, U plus 0, that is U only. This V is equal to U in the case of uniform motion. Uniform motion means velocity is constant. Well, this formula becomes S is equal to U T plus half into 0 T squared. That means ut plus 0, half into 0, 0 only, this term becomes 0. So ut plus 0, finally S is equal to ut. This formula we will use in uniform motion when body moves with the uniform velocity. When body moves with the uniform acceleration, this is the formula, okay? This one also, what? The same I can write if you want. Then what? V squared is equal to U squared plus 2A. Yes. That means U squared plus 2 into 0 into S. That means U squared plus 0. That is V squared is equal to U squared. If V is equal to U, V squared is equal to U squared. Okay. These things, anyway, this one, especially this formula we will use for a uniform motion when a body moves with a uniform velocity. Right. If a body has uniform acceleration, these are the formula. Well, please, any one of you, please read it for me.
A body starts from rest with
A body starts from rest. Okay. Don't be in hurry. A body starts from rest. Whenever you do one numerical problem in physics now, it is always good to write the information given first. Okay. So I am going to write what information they have given, what data they have given. So from this, a body starts from rest equal to U is equal to 0. Body starts from rest. 0. With a uniform acceleration. Okay, with a uniform acceleration. From that you understand we can apply equations of motion, uniform acceleration. Well, with a uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square. So acceleration is also given 2 meter per second square. Well, find the distance covered by the body in 2 seconds. You are asked to find the distance. Very simple question. Which formula will you apply?
So second equation.
What is that? S is equal to distance traveled. Distance covered, let me write. Distance covered. S is equal to
ut plus half at square.
ut plus half at squared. And this t also they have already given t also, t is base at 2 seconds. Okay, so I am substituting. Very simple question. U is equal to 0. 0 into 2 plus half into 2 into 2 squared. So simple. Please note that I did not write the unit here. If I am writing unit here, for suppose for acceleration, if I am writing 2 meter per second square, I must write a unit here also. Otherwise, do not write unit. I said like this. If you are substituting, you can do like this also if you want. U 0 into 2 seconds plus half into 2 meter per second square into 2 seconds square. This way you can write, no problem. That is correct only. If you plan to write a unit for any quantity, you must write a unit for all other quantities. Okay. Anyway, for our convenience, I am planning to write the unit at the end only. Well, that's equal to once again 0 into 2 plus half into 2 into 2 square. Okay, that is nothing but 0 plus 2 and 2 cancel, so 4, that's equal to 4. Okay, what is the unit? Meter. So when this question comes in the examination, suppose a question comes like in the examination, you will not get any mark for writing this. No mark for this. Okay. No mark for writing this also. They will not give mark. They will give mark for the substitution. So substitution must be correct. Then they give mark for the final answer with the correct unit. Okay. This type of questions may carry 2 marks. Well, let's go for next question. I hope that you have done this. Take it down. And next question. A bullet initially moving with a velocity 20 meter per second strikes a target and comes to rest. Their statement is like this. One bullet is there. This bullet is moving with the velocity. What was the initial velocity? It moves with the velocity. It's moving. What is the velocity? 20 meter per second. Moves with velocity 20 meter per second. This bullet is moving, okay? It moves and strikes the target. One target is there. Imagine this is the target. Strikes the target. And comes to rest. Okay, and this bullet is entering into this, and finally this bullet comes to rest. Okay. So with what velocity it strikes the target? With what velocity bullet? 20 meter per second.
20.
Okay, 20 meter per second. So bullet is striking with 20 meter per second. Now bullet is entered into this, and finally it came to rest. Okay. After penetrating a distance of 10 centimeter. Okay, this distance they have given. This distance is given. That distance is 10 centimeter. Okay. In the target, calculate the retardation caused by the target. They ask you to find the retardation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here this value is 20 meter per second. Okay. Well, tell me what they have given. A bullet initially moving with the velocity, that means initial velocity u is equal to 20 meter per second.
20 meter per second.
Okay. Strikes a target and comes to rest. Comes to rest means what will you understand?
Sir, final velocity is 0.
Okay, very good. Final velocity is 0. Okay. Then what else they have given?
Sir, the distance.
Distance is given. Distance. Okay. So once it strikes here now, velocity starts changing. Velocity decreases. Otherwise, this bullet is moving with 20 meter per second. Okay, 20 meter per second. Once it strikes the target, its velocity decreases. Gradually, velocity decreases. It is under uniform retardation. Okay, velocity. Finally, it comes to rest by covering a distance equal to 10 centimeter. So displacement is equal to 10 centimeter. But one small issue is there. This is in meter per second SI system. This is a CJ system. So will you convert this into SI system and tell me?
Yes, sir.
divided by 100, then
0.1.
0.1 meter. Okay, very good. Anything else is there? No. Now you are asked to calculate the retardation. Okay, which formula will help you? Your formulas are V is equal to U plus AT. Will it help you? No, there is no. Will this formula help you to find the answer? We have to find what? Retardation. In the formula, acceleration is there. Once you find the acceleration, you can write a retardation. Retardation means negative acceleration. I am asking you, is this formula helpful?
No, sir.
No. Okay, that formula is not helpful. What about the second one? S is equal to ut plus half at squared. Is it helpful?
No, sir.
With this term, what is the issue?
Sir, both.
Time not given.
Sir, time is not given.
Now you understood our required formula is v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. This formula will help us, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this formula I am writing here. What is that? Using equation of motion. Using equation of motion. Equation of motion. I can write this formula. I can write 2as is equal to v squared minus u squared. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I just took this u squared to the left hand side. Okay. Now I am going to substitute. That implies 2 multiplied by a. For that a we have to find a into displacement 0.1 v square. V is what? 0. Okay. 0 square minus u square 20 square. That implies what? When I multiply with 0.2 times a, 2 into 0.1, 0.2 times a equal to 0 squared is 0. 0 minus 400. 20 squared is 400.
Minus
So
400.
minus 400. Okay. So a is equal to negative 400 divided by 0.2. What is that answer? This is what? This is nothing but the acceleration you get. Okay. Acceleration A is equal to, divide and tell me, be fast.
2000 meter per second square.
So okay, negative 2000 meter per second square. What is their question? In their question they ask you to find the retardation,
Retardation.
not acceleration. So your final response can be like this. What? Therefore, retardation is equal to retardation produced. Okay. The retardation caused by the target is equal to, I can write negative of acceleration is retardation. So in this case, negative of negative 2000 meter per second squared. That means what is that?
1000 meter per second.
Okay, negative 2000. So shall I write directly 2000 meter per second squared. Meter per second squared. So okay, today we did 2 numericals only.
So,
What is the time now? How many minutes left?
Minutes are left.
This derivation of equations of motion is not there in the syllabus. Last class I took derivation. In fact, derivation is not there in the syllabus. You learn these equations. Learn this. That's enough. Okay, thank you.